Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Phone Repairology, and today I'll show you how to easily clear or wipe iPad before selling it. Ensure a secure future for your iPad by wiping personal data. Protect your privacy, give the new owner a clean slate, and say goodbye with peace of mind. In this concise video guide, we'll demonstrate how to effortlessly clear or wipe your iPad before selling it, ensuring your personal data is completely erased. Back up your iPad. Connect your iPad to a computer or use iCloud to create a backup of your data. Sign out of iCloud on your iPad. Go to Settings, click on Your Name, click on Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and choose Turn Off. Erase all content and settings. In the Settings app, go to General, click on Reset, click on Erase all content and settings. Confirm your selection and enter your passcode if prompted. If your iPad is running iOS 10.2 or later, make sure it's no longer associated with your iCloud account by going to Settings, click on Your Name, Next, Find My iPad. Disable the Find My iPad feature. If your iPad has a SIM card, use a paperclip or SIM eject tool to remove it. Wipe the iPad screen and casing using a soft, lint-free cloth. Cleared. Your iPad is now cleared and ready to be sold or transferred to a new owner.